Hey everyone, the Princely Popper here. So what we've got going on is got a Chevy 2003 Venture van, and it's 3400 engine, and we've got some rough idling at stops with no trouble codes. So with a fresh tune-up, and it still hasn't stopped, what we're going to do is clean out the throttle body. So, and the throttle plate. So what you're going to do is, that's right here. Right here is where you want to disconnect this brace right here, using whatever you need to use, but mine's a flathead. So what I've already done is I've already loosened it. And next we're going to run some Seafoam throttle body cleaner in there. And the way we're going to do it is we're going to use their spray nozzle attachment, like so. So once it's loosened, and if you don't want to remove a whole bunch of stuff, you wiggle this loose, like this. And then you feed this down in there. Like so. Till you get it hooked. And then you tighten this back on. Get it as tight as possible. And this is one way to do it. Then you will attach this Seafoam spray nozzle. Someone's going to start the car, rev it up to about 2,000 RPMs, or follow the directions on the can. Spray it for about half the can, and then stop the car, take this out, tighten it back up, and then start the car and let it run for about 10 minutes, and a bunch of smoke's going to come out. And that's how you clean your throttle body on Chevy Venture van. Princely Popper, like and subscribe. Take care.